Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Momita and yeah, तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं, आपने थंबनेल में जरूर देख लिया होगा, about a few tips how we can increase our water intake capacity. See, water is very important. हमारे लिए water तो बहुत essential है because it not only keeps us fit and maintains that osmotic balance, but also वो हमारे हेल्थ करते हैं इन वेट लॉस और मेनी अदर थिंग्स. ऑल्दो मुझे तो वेट लॉस के बारे में बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए, पर फिर भी वाटर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉट जस्ट इन एनीथिंग. लाइक आप खाना ना भी खाओ ना तो भी चल जाएगा, पर लेकिन वाटर इज वेरी एसेंशियल एंड इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम कंज्यूम करें. पर लेकिन सबसे बड़ा जो मेन प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है ना कि हम वाटर को कंज्यूम कर नहीं पाते. लाइक वी जनरली स्किप दैट थिंग. लाइक मैं खुद भी वो ही करती थी, पर लेकिन there are some tips that I can share with you, like those which I follow generally. Some simple things that you can just keep in mind so that you can increase your water intake capacity. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to say in order to increase that water intake, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं ना, that start your day right. Like सुबह उठते हो, सुबह उठ के आप जैसे ब्रश करते हो, कुछ लोग मेरी तरह सबसे पहले फोन घाटते हैं. वाह, वाटर हिंदी आई एम स्पीकिंग. ओके, फोन को स्क्रॉल करते हैं. तो आपको उसी तरह एक डेली हैबिट ग्रो करना चाहिए कि आप सुबह उठते ही आप एक गिलास पानी पीजिए. ओके, जैसे आप सुबह उठो एक गिलास पानी पीजिए, रात को सोने जाने से पहले भी आप एक गिलास पानी पीजिए, या फिर आप जब भी नींद से उठो तो आप एक गिलास पानी पीजिए. ओके, तो दैट especially when you are in the morning, when you are in empty stomach, it's very helpful because आप तब कुछ इंटेक नहीं कर रहे हो, और आप तब जब पानी पियोगे it will help your metabolism, और उससे आपको वेट लॉस भी होता है. मैं हर रोज सुबह पानी पीती हूँ, and not just normal water. I warm the water and use a bit of lemon in that, and I consume it, and it's very important. I mean, not just important, it's up to you if you want to do it or not, but it's totally good, and you should try this. I mean, you should always drink water when you wake up from the bed in the morning, or whenever you wake up from your sleep. Okay, that's the first thing I want to say. Now for the second thing that I would want to say is flavor your water. I mean, फीका पानी हर किसी को पसंद नहीं आता, तो आप उसमें क्या कर सकते हो, थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर ऐड कर सकते हो. ओके, लाइक यू कैन ऐड सम लेमन, और यू कैन ऐड एनी फ्लेवर लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी समथिंग, और देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स अवेलेबल विच यू कैन ऐड इन द वाटर. यू कैन डू दैट. ओके, तो आप कोई भी फ्लेवर अपने पानी में ऐड कर सकते हो, एंड इट्स विल बी हेल्पफुल. लाइक आपको फीका पानी नहीं खाना पड़ेगा. एंड ऑल्सो इफ यू स्पेशली इन द समर सीजन, आप चिल्ड खा सकते हो पानी. लाइक इफ द वाटर is chilled, if it is cool, then you can consume it more properly. I mean, it will be easier for you to consume, but it's important that you do that. और आप उसे फ्लेवर कर सकते हो. मैं तो करती हूँ, I mean every time, not every time, but most of the time I drink water, then I flavors. I mean, I add a little bit of lemon and salt, and like I make a nimbu pani type of thing, and I consume it, and I like that thing. Okay, so that's the second thing I want to say. Okay, for the third tip, what I will want to say is, आप आपका जो पानी का बॉटल है या फिर जग है, जो भी है, वो कुछ ऐसी जगह पे रखिए जहाँ पे आप डेली पास करते हो. लाइक ऑन द टेबल फ्रॉम वेयर यू पास एवरी टाइम. लाइक जब भी आप पास करोगे आपको याद आएगा कि मुझे वो पानी पीना है. लाइक इट्स ओवर देयर एंड आई हैव टू ड्रिंक इट. इट शुड बी लाइक अ रिमाइंडर टू यू इफ इट इज नियर इन यू, आई मीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज. ओके, तो आप अपने जग को या फिर बॉटल को ऐसे किसी जगह पे रखिए जहाँ पे आप हमेशा वो आपकी नजरों के सामने रहे. लाइक एवरी टाइम यू आर गेटिंग रिमाइंडेड दैट यू हैव टू ड्रिंक वाटर. दैट्स अ बेसिक थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू से फॉर द थर्ड थिंग. ओके, नाउ फॉर द फोर्थ थिंग दैट आई वुड लाइक टू से इज, it will be quite helpful and quite interesting for you. That is to replace the water. I mean, how you can replace the water? You can replace the water with food or any fruits, anything that contains water. Okay, so हम हर वक्त तो पानी पीने का मन नहीं करता, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम उस पानी को ऐसे किसी फ्रूट के साथ या फिर ऐसे किसी फूड के साथ रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं जिसमें वाटर कंटेन हो. लाइक यू कैन रिप्लेस इट विथ वाटरमेलन और मैंगो और लीची और एनीथिंग दैट कंटेन्स वाटर. और या फिर आप फूड आइटम्स में तो ज्यादा कुछ वाटर में होता नहीं. बेसिकली इन फ्रूट यू कैन रिप्लेस दैट. ओके, इफ यू आर कंज्यूमिंग दोज काइंड ऑफ फ्रूट्स डेली, then if you are consuming water in less amount, then that wouldn't matter to you. Okay, so I will always recommend कि आप replacement use करिए if you are not okay with drinking water each and every time. Okay, now for the fifth thing that I would say, it's a bit weird and would sound like what I am saying, like that strange it will sound to you, but I am saying you it generally works. Okay, for me it does, so I'm sure it will for you also. So what you can do is you can use a fancy bottle, a new one. Okay, so every time we buy something new, we have an urge that we will use that, we will do something with that. We have an urge inside us, like तो अगर आप कोई नया बॉटल खरीदते हो या फिर कोई फैंसी बॉटल खरीदते हो, तो आपको हमेशा लगेगा कि मैं उस बॉटल से पानी पीऊंगी. हाँ, लाइक आई विल ड्रिंक फ्रॉम दैट बॉटल, और इस चक्कर में आप कई सारा पानी पी जाते हो. ओके, सो हमको तो बस पानी पीने से मतलब है, चाहे आप फैंसी बॉटल से पिए या फिर ओल्ड बॉटल से. और फैंसी बॉटल से हमारा जनरली जो अर्ज है वो इंक्रीज होता है, तो हम वो कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई डू, एंड नॉट ऑलवेज, it's not always possible to buy a fancy bottle or a new one, but every time you can just whenever you buy it you can just do it. Okay, you can just try it, like anytime you can try it. Whenever I buy a new thing, then मेरा तो हमेशा ही मन, हाँ भाई अभी गाड़ी लेके चले जाओ, मेरे घर के ऊपर से चले जाओ, मतलब कुछ भी, एक रास्ता सामने बाड़ी हो और एटे ही प्रॉब्लम, चाहे हो. हाँ, तो यू कैन जस्ट यूज अ फैंसी बॉटल. दैट्स इट आई वांट टू से फॉर द फिफ्थ थिंग. Okay, for the sixth thing that I want to say is you don't have to use a bigger bottle, like 2 लीटर वाला कोई बॉटल या फिर 1 लीटर. यू डोंट इवन हैव टू यूज 1 लीटर बॉटल ऑल्सो, क्योंकि अगर जितना बड़ा बॉटल होगा ना, यू विल थिंक दैट ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा करके फिनिश कर लेंगे, एंड दैट थिंग विल कम अप टू यू. ओके, सो इफ यू यूज अ स्मॉलर बॉटल्स लाइक 500 ml बॉटल्स और स्मॉलर बॉटल्स, तो आप क्या करोगे, मतलब बहुत ही जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. एंड एवरी टाइम, दैट्स ऑल्सो अ पॉइंट, दैट एवरी टाइम यू फिनिश द बॉटल, डोंट जस्ट कीप इट असाइड कि नहीं भाई बाद में फिर से रिफिल कर लेंगे. यू शुड रिफिल इट एज सुन एज यू फिनिश इट. ओके, सो खत्म हो गया, जाओ जाकर रिफिल कर लो, फिर ऐसे किसी जगह पे रखो जहाँ पे आपके आंखों के सामने हो. एवरी टाइम यू गेट रिमाइंडेड दैट यू हैव टू ड्रिंक द वाटर. ओके, so that's the basic thing that I would like to say for the sixth thing, that always refill your bottle whenever you finish it, not just keeping aside that बाद में पियेंगे और बाद में refill करेंगे. Don't do now for the seventh thing that I would like to say is nowadays it's modern time. We have a lot of apps in our phone, like everything we use mobile for everything, and each and every application is available to us just easily. So what you can do is install a reminder type thing in your phone from any app. There are different types of apps available which will remind you to drink the water, या फिर take your medicines, या फिर go for a walk or anything. There are many apps, so you can install one of them. That will remind you from time to time. You should place a reminder that after every half an hour or after every 20 minutes I should be reminded of drinking the water, and that's very important. Okay, so yeah, that's another thing I would like to say, that always, not always, if you want to, you should install an application in your phone that if you are not sure that you can follow, या फिर you don't have any person जो आपको याद दिलाता रहेगा कि यार जाओ जाके पानी पियो, like my mom every time does. अरे भाई वो सारी चीज की, जा आगे जल खागा जा, every time, especially because I have some problems. For that I have to drink a much amount of water. So like not drinking water is not at all good for your health. तो मुझे हमेशा पानी पीना पड़ता है. तो I have an app also installed in my phone that drink water at this time. Okay, I have it in my phone, so I recommend to you guys also. Okay, that's all for my sixth thing. Now seventh thing. Okay, another most strange type of tip that I will give you is to drink water every time you open your favorite application. Yeah, sounds weird, right? and it's not possible always. But suppose your favorite application is Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp or Snapchat or anything which you open regularly, which is your favorite application. So whenever you open it, like I have already mentioned that you should keep your bottle within your reach so that you get reminded of every time you have to drink the water. Suppose you are lying in the bed and you are opening your Instagram account, and as soon as you open your Instagram, you should get reminded that you will have to drink water. Okay, so you can just reach out to that bottle and just have the water. Okay, so yeah, I mean, not every time it's not possible when you are out. Like, although I will recommend that whenever you are out, just carry a bottle. For my 9th tip which I will be giving you is similar to the last one, the 8th one which I gave you, is many people have a habit of drinking tea or coffee. Okay, it's not bad to drink tea or coffee, it's not like that. Although it has a lot of bad effects also. Maybe I will bring another video on this, because I know a lot of thing about this tea and coffee. Like my mom always says many things. My mom is also, I mean, she is also addicted to tea, but she says a lot of things which are bad about tea and coffee. And also I have done a lot of researches, and I know that drinking tea and coffee every time is not good, especially when you are waking up in the morning. Anyways, so back to what I was saying, that many people have a habit of drinking tea or coffee. So I would recommend personally that whenever you are drinking tea or coffee, just drink a glass of water. Okay, like many people, especially the boys, cha, okay. So जखनी, I mean every time जब भी आप चाय पियो या फिर कॉफी पियो, तो उससे पहले आप वाटर जरूर पीजिए. ओके, एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक यू पीपल विल बी थिंकिंग ये क्या बकरी है अबाउट water and water, but water is essential and we always keep that thing. Okay, me personally always keep that thing, so like it's common. Okay, for my 10th tip, I guess I don't remember the counting. Okay, I guess it's the 10th one. So for the 10th tip, it's basically hilarious. You guys might find this funny, but we generally, one of the reasons why we, even if we remember to drink water, we generally skip doing that is because of the restroom problem, right? Whenever you are like going out and you feel that if I drink much water before going, then I have to run to the washroom the next moment, right? You have that feeling. So आप क्या कर सकते हो? Like we can stop the rest. I mean, क्या बोलती हूँ मैं? Okay, so whenever you have like that kind of problem, so what you can do is आप जब भी कहीं बाहर जाइए तो उससे पहले आप एक बार वॉशरूम यूज कर लीजिए. ओके, सो यू कैन स्टॉप ड्रिंकिंग वाटर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, बट यू कैन डू समथिंग विच यू कैन अवॉइड. लाइक अगर आप 1 घंटे के लिए या 2 घंटे के लिए कहीं ऐसी जगह पर बाहर जा रहे हो जहाँ पे कोई वॉशरूम नहीं है, तो आप अपने घर पे ही वॉशरूम यूज कर लीजिए. एंड आई ऑलवेज रिकमेंड दिस, इवन इफ यू फील दैट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई मीन आई डोंट नीड इट, आई डोंट नीड टू यूज द वॉशरूम, बट स्टिल आई विल रिकमेंड कि आप कहीं भी बाहर जाने से पहले एक बार वॉशरूम यूज कर लीजिए. ऑलवेज यूज द वॉशरूम बिफोर लीविंग योर हाउस wherever you are going. Okay, and it's always not safe to use the washroom which when you are outside. Okay, so आप घर पे ही वॉशरूम यूज कर लीजिए. Okay, for the 11th thing that I am going to say is it might not sound a bit healthy, but it will help you in increasing your amount of water that you consume. Like you should snack on salty food. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed it or not. If you snack on something salty, you always feel thirsty. Increase the thirst inside you, and you will feel more thirsty and drink more water. And that's what we want, right? So snack on salty food. Okay, for the next one, that is the 12th one, I guess, that I will be saying you that drink water after every meal. Okay. Like whenever you are eating something, before or after, just drink water. We generally do that after every meal, we drink water, but I will still recommend that whatever even if you are eating a single chips or chocolate, just drink water after that. That will also help you aid in your digestion. So I'll always recommend that drink water just after you have done your meal or you have ate anything, just drink water. Okay, that is all for my 12th tip. And for my last and the final thing that I would like to say is 13th. Yeah, that is the 13th tip that I would like to give. Share with you that I generally, I don't follow that, but you can do that. That is reward yourself. Like suppose आपने जो आपका टारगेट था, like I will drink 3 liters of water today, आपने वो टारगेट हिट कर लिया है. ओके, यू हैव ड्रैंक 3 liters of water या फिर 4 liters of water. 4 liter कोई आई डोंट नो इफ एनीबॉडी ड्रिंक्स और दैट, बट 3 liters. सो आपने वो टारगेट हिट कर लिया है, तो रिवॉर्ड योरसेल्फ. लाइक आपको अगर आइसक्रीम पसंद है तो जस्ट हैव वन आइसक्रीम, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन इट. इफ यू आर not afraid that you will become obese like me, then you can just go for it. So whatever, like anything, any reward, like not just eating. मैं हमेशा खाती हूँ इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमेशा खाना ही है. Anything, like if you like reading books, then just read anything, or just reward yourself anything. You will know better like what you need. So just reward yourself. Not just even, I mean, not every day, but at least once a week you can just do that. Like whatever aim you have, like within a week you have to consume 21 liters of water, and you have consumed that, so you can just reward yourself anything. Okay, that's what I want to say for my 13th thing. I think this video is gonna be more, I mean, I have a lot of things that I want to say maybe, but this video will be a very long one, and I don't want that it will be problematic. That's all I want to say in this video. And with this I would like to end this video, and if you have any problem, then you can message me in my Instagram. I will be giving my Instagram link in my description box. You can just go and hit the follow button over there. And if you like this video, I mean, if you find this helpful in any way, like if you think that drinking water is even necessary, and you feel that I have given you any sort of thing that can help you in increasing the amount of water intake, then please like this video. Like your one like will matter to me. I am saying this at the end of the video. I don't even know how many people will be watching it till the end of the video, I mean end of the entire video, but still I'm saying it at the end of the video to like the like this, because I'm sure that if you have watched till the end, then might be you like me either, or you like this video. So any of the causes, do not forget to like this video, okay? And also comment if you have any problem, or if you find this helpful, to comment, share if you want to, and subscribe, or definitely subscribe. Like if you like or don't like, just subscribe and hit that bell icon beside that, okay? And with this thing I would like to end my video, and I will be trying to be regular. I have started making this after a long period of time, but I'll try to be regular. And with this, tata, bye bye, take care, and of course don't forget to drink the water. Bye bye.